What's up, guys? We're here in the Clubhouse Exchange. We're doing the giveaway for the auction, the spring cleaning auctions, I guess, whatever I call them. So we're gonna go live. Oh man, excuse me. It is 11:38 a.m. here in Denver. 11:38, just turned 11:39. We got our random list. Bunch of names. Would have been a hell of a lot more with MNum, but MNum always opts out of these giveaways. So just real quick, we have top 10 winning. That's just the order that you will win in. And yeah, you could win twice. You could win technically all 10 prizes if you really wanted to, or if the randomizer wanted you to. So we're going to go 3 times, guys, and it's top 10 wins. Good luck to everybody. 1, we had 585 names in the randomizer. 2, Patrick on top after 2. And third and final time, good luck to everybody. Craig, with the 8-way, I think you had the most bids, so the odds were in your favor. Wes cleaning up. Wes, looks like you got 4. So we'll copy the top 10. Craig, you got the in the game used 8-way. Wait, Gretzky, a 6 Solani patch. Just a nasty card in general. Jeff, I don't think you won an item, but you got the Herbie and the Burrow. Wes, you got the Herbie Phenomenon from Select. Griff, you got the Jack and Quinn Hughes Young Gun Checklist. Wes, you got the Rantanen Ice Rookie Jersey. Kyle, you got the Rogers and Jonathan Taylor Football 2-card lot. Wes, you got both Series 1 blasters cleaning up. CJ, you got the Osgood and Hasek dual jersey. And Wes, you got the Max Domi rookie jersey. So I'll do one last timestamp. Done at 11:41. 11:41. Guys, thanks again. I really appreciate it. Stay safe.